This question is given that A is a 3 by 3 matrix and with elements Aij is equal to I square if I is odd, j square if I is even. This is called a piecewise definition. That is, under some condition you have some definition, under another condition you have a different definition. Now you are asked to construct matrix A. So A is a 3 by 3 matrix. So it has 3 rows and 3 columns. So correspond to I, you have 1, 2, 3, and corresponding to J, you have 1, 2, and 3. So I is 1, 2, 3, J is 1, 2, 3. Now, if I is odd, the definition is I square uniformly whatever J is. So I is odd in this row and in the third row. If you take 3 rows, in the first row and third row I is odd. So irrespective of what J is, the definition is I square. That is, I square is 1 square, 1 square, 1 square, 3 square, 3 square, 3 square. So if I is equal to 3, whatever J is, doesn't really matter. The number is always equal to I square. Next, if I is equal to 2, that is I is even. The positional value is J square now. That is, if J is equal to 1, you have 1 square. If J is equal to 2, you have 2 square and 3 square. So this is the matrix. So let us say that you are asked to find the trace of this matrix. So what is the trace of this matrix? Trace is nothing but sum of the diagonal elements. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, that is equal to 14. So I hope you understand the different questions that we are dealing with. So first is, you need to understand about the order of the matrix, the positional representation of the matrix, how to construct a matrix if definition is given, how to find the trace of the matrix.